Even more ways to earn yield with your HBAR tokens. Let's take a look. Welcome back to the APY Guy channel, where I try to bring you the best sources of passive income through farming and staking of blue chips and low market cap gems that could have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel, drop a like on this video, I greatly appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Really quick, if you want to help support the channel, please go over to my Twitter and follow me on Twitter. Also, go over to my TikTok that I just started. I'm going to put some cool stuff over there on TikTok. I'll leave that link in the description of this video. I would really appreciate it if you followed both. It would help me out tremendously. Now let's get into it. As you know, I love earning yield on my HBAR tokens, and yet there's another way. I almost forgot about it. I hit some stake down there, and somebody left in the comments to do an update on this particular application, this particular decentralized application, and that is Pangolin. Pangolin is still paying out, and it is paying out well. It has some pretty sweet APRs. Before we jump into the HBAR part of it, I want to show you that Avalanche does have some pools in here. The USDC AVAX pool is at 14% APR, and the USDT AVAX pool is at 19% APR. Now let's jump over to HBAR, which is where we want to be. Let's click on that. The HBARX HBAR pool is paying out at 17% HBAR APR. That is a sweet, that's some sweet yield right there. There's some other ones that are doing pretty well. The USDC HBAR pool is 68%. Also down here we have the Head Starter token HBAR pool. It's paying out at a sweet 104% APR. Pretty decent total value lock on some of these. 2.43 million in the HBARX HBAR pool. The USDC HBAR is over it's 1.68 million total value lock as well. I'm conservative, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some liquidity to the HBARX pool. It's paying out at 17%, and plus you got to remember you're getting yield from the HBARX token. I'm going to show you in this video but the price difference between the HBARX and the HBAR token, because the HBARX is basically the staked version of HBAR. Like if you were to stake it in your Hashpack wallet, that would be the same thing, and it adds value to the HBARX token as it goes along over time. It goes up 6.5% annually. That's 6.5% APR. So let's take a look at that. If we look at the HBAR token, the HBAR is at 4.96 cents. And then if we look at HBARX, the price is higher you are earning yield for holding it. It's earning that 6.5% annual percentage. So now that is at 6.27 cents. Okay, now let's go back to Pangolin, and I'm going to show you exactly how to add liquidity and insert that into the farm. First of all, what we need to do is all I have is HBAR in my wallet. So I need to swap some HBAR for HBARX. So I'm going to the swap. I'm going to swap 50 HBAR tokens. That's going to get me 39.79 HBARX. I'm going to hit swap. I'm going to hit confirm swap. And I'm going to hit approve in my wallet. That's going to execute a smart contract. That smart contract's going to swap those tokens for me. Once those tokens are swapped, then we have the two assets that we need to make the liquidity pair. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go back to the farm, to the pool, and we're going to go down here and hit add liquidity. Now we're going to hit max for HBARX. Because we have more HBAR in our wallet, you always want to leave more HBAR so you have enough for gas fees. So now we're going to hit max here, and we're going to hit supply, and we're going to confirm the supply, and that's supplying equal parts of the two assets into a liquidity pair. I'm going to hit confirm supply and approve. Once that goes through, then we have our RLP pair, which we're going to deposit into the farm. There we go. It says liquidity added. So now we're going to click add to the farm. Now we're going to deposit. We're going to deposit all of it and stake. And we're going to approve another smart contract. Once the smart contract goes through, then we have our liquidity pair staked in the farm. And we will be earning yield on that. Hit done. Minimized. You have successfully staked your liquidity tokens. Your stakes APR will start from 0, and the longer you stay in the pool, your share of rewards will continue to increase. The cool thing about Pangolin is you can automatically compound your rewards. When you get, a few rewards, you can compound them right back into the pool. So it's not quite auto compounding like Beefy Finance, but you can manually compound pretty easily. So our APR is not showing anything yet. Like it said, the longer we stay in the pool, the higher the APR will go. I had a couple of people leave comments asking how you remove your tokens when you're ready to exit the pools or farms. If you go to see details on this one, you go down here and you go to remove, then you should be able to remove your liquidity. This particular question was on Saucer Swap. So let me go over to Saucer Swap really quick here. Okay, we are on Saucer Swap. I'm going to show you how to exit the farm. You go to the farm. I have a few tokens staked in the HBAR, HBAR X. You would go here, hit the down arrow. You would hit unstake. You would unstake however many tokens you wanted to unstake. If you want to do max, you would hit max and then hit unstake. You're not done yet. All you have done is unstake your liquidity pair. Now to split that liquidity pair in half back to your original assets, you will go to liquidity. You will go to my pools. I do not have any that's unstaked currently. You would go here and it would say remove liquidity. And once you press remove liquidity, it will put the assets back to where they were in the two separate assets, the HBAR and the HBAR X. That's how you remove yourself from the pool, and that's how you get your assets back to the original too. If you want to swap it all back to HBAR, then you can go to the swap and do that. HBAR is one of my largest holdings and it will continue to be, and I'm going to continue to find ways to earn yield on my HBAR tokens. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I try to answer every single comment as quickly as possible. It might take me a few hours to get back to you, but I will definitely do that. Anybody that's left a comment before, they will tell you that I do get back to you. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.